Timeline of World War I causes and events. Did you know how World War I took place and who all were involved in it? Here is a brief timeline of World War I with main events. Beginning of World War I. Russia, Belgium, France, Great Britain, and Serbia waged a war against Austria-Hungary and Germany. The Western Front. Germans set off with the war at two fronts by invading France through Belgium in the west and confronting Russia in the east. First Battle of the Marne. The battle was fought between 6 to 9, 1914, in which French and British forces confronted the German army. Other chief events. The Eastern Front. Russian Revolution. America enters World War I. Gallipoli Campaign. Battle of the Isonzo. Thanks for watching the video. For more such history topics, seek instant online assignment help from Homework Minutes. For more, www.homeworkminutes.com.